guys, what's up? What's going on? Boom. Oh, okay, so today, it's been really exciting so far. I'm just gonna show you this view one last time. Why? Because we're checking out. Sucks, I know. The Hyatt has been, it's been so nice. We're packing, we're getting ready, we're transferring to another place. It's gonna be more of like a condo, more of like a home. We'll be able to, I don't know, just feel at home. And we'll also be doing something super cool tonight. I mean, today is just basically all surrounded around this helicopter ride. I've never been in a helicopter, so I'm super excited. Jeremy has been in a helicopter, so he's excited for me. And I am excited for you guys, because it's gonna be nuts. It's just gonna be nuts. All right, let's get out of here. All right, I'm ready. Good thing it's like only like a 5-minute walk.
Wait, are you ready before me for once?
It's pretty nutty.
I don't
know how it happened. I got a lot of stuff, all right? Julia!
These are my traveling favorite friends. How was everything?
Everything was really good.
What?
Yeah, we wanted to say thank you.
Of course. Have a great day. See you.
Oh, we should probably put yours. Loading this car is like a mission.
The trunk is so small.
Yeah.
There is gonna be there's actually not gonna be that much junk in this trunk.
No, not at all. All right, excellent. Such a sweet car, packed full of luggage. Goodbye, Waikiki. It's over. It's been good. It's actually been really good. I was pretty impressed. Even if there was a lot of tourists, I still enjoyed it. Usually when there's like a crazy amount of tourists, I'm like, I'm already putting it off. But you know, I gave Waikiki a chance, and I like it. And there's just a lot of energy, buzz, like New York, you know.
But it's not a New York place.
No, definitely not. No, definitely not it's like a chill buzz.
It's a Hawaii buzz.
It's a Hawaii buzz. Aloha buzz.
But you should definitely go and stay there for 2 days.
You guys, look at this. Wow. I think it's photo time. Some other people have the same idea. This is a dope photo spot for sure. All right, great news. Sweet shots, so sweet. Kind of bad news. I guess they closed the park, and if they closed the park, maybe the front gate is closed. We're hoping it's not.
We're gonna ram the gate.
Yeah, ram the gate. Yeah, buddy, look at that shot. Tropical cigar vibes. Jeremy's a pretty happy man.
We got some great shots.
Yeah, we did. Garrett knows how to jump. I do.
You'll see the final on Instagram.
Yeah, it's gonna be good.
It's happening now.
What is happening?
We're actually going in the helicopter.
We've gotten so many great shots today. This is just gonna be the icing on the cake. It's gonna be insane.
But it's gonna be like a really, really thick layer of icing.
Yeah, like it's
wedding cake icing.
like double cream Oreo icing.
Double stuffed Oreo marshmallow flavored icing on the top of the cake for today.
Boom. Getting the last second things on. It's gonna be insane.
We fly over the ocean, so we are going to provide you
That was pretty amazing. Feeling dizzy though.
I feel
Super wobbly. By the way, helicopter rides when you get out.
It's kind of like, I feel like it's like the same feeling after you've been in a hot tub for like an hour, and you get out and you're kind of like, oh.
Yeah. It was crazy. It was nuts. It was really good. We got a lot of photos. My camera's at 1,223.
All right, guys.
All right.
Have a good stay while you guys are here and enjoy.
Thank you.
Okay, easy.
Boom.
My name's Rick anyway.
Rick. Thanks, Rick.
Okay,
Thanks for everything,
guys.
man.
Have a good one.
Thank you. You too.
Cheers. It is done. Woof. Sunset heli ride.
I started having problems with my exposure because I was shooting manual the whole time.
Yeah. I had issues. You know, it's so funny.
I had a bunch of issues.
Yeah, I had issues. I had a bunch of issues. We both had issues. His memory card got full. He swapped them out. My camera just mid-flight didn't want to take any pictures. I don't know what was going on. I just took the battery out, put it back in. The Fusion, the GoPro Fusion that we took up, that when I turned it on, it only had 3% battery, so it must have been just on in the bag. And man, yeah, it was just like, once we got up in the air, it was just one problem after the next.
You know what though? I'm like going through this footage, I got so many so many better shots than I actually thought that I did.
I know.
I thought that I got way
Yes.
less good shots, way fewer good shots
Yes.
now. And some of these shots are just incredible.
I love it. I love it.
I was strapped in so tight that I couldn't.
Yeah, I was pretty tight. It was really hard to turn for me too. All right. Grab a quick snack from Whole Foods. And then
I'm getting groceries. Man.
Oh yeah, groceries and some I'm hungry. I'm gonna eat.
And snacks and juice.
Food and snacks.
And juice.
And juice. And then we check into our new place. You guys get to see our new place. I'm really hoping it's cool. Is it cool?
Yeah, it's cool.
All right, dope.
Okay, just past
Kiko Road. Okay.
Tito's.
Yeah. Nice, dope. This place is actually looks really good. Ja. Got like super thick sea hair. Ja, bruh. Surf's up. We have so much footage from today. It's insane. And it's gonna take probably an hour or two to transfer all of it. And we are just charging to do it all over again tomorrow. It's been crazy. Are you happy with the photos?
Yeah. Yeah, it's just a matter
super
of
sick.
Figuring out which ones. Check out my suntan.
Yeah.
My fucking burn.
Nah, you could, it does, yeah.
Yeah.
It is 1 a.m. And believe it or not, I'm still not done backing up and offloading all my footage. But I'm just too tired to keep going, and I'm just gonna have to call it a night. But today was insane, so insane. Helicopter ride, Botanic Gardens, Waikiki, fudge sticks. I can't believe it. Love you guys, take care of yourself, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.